Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions while hopefully making you laugh a bit along the way. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, comparing the ComGrow Ender 3v2 Neo and the Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer. Buckle up because it's about to get Filament Alley fun. First up, let's talk about the price. On the left, we have the ComGrow Ender 3v2 Neo, coming in at a wallet-friendly $199. On the right, the Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer, which will set you back $229. That's a $30 difference, folks. With that extra cash, you could buy, well, not even half a tank of gas these days. But hey, every penny counts. Next, let's talk assembly. The Ender 3v2 Neo boasts easy assembly with only 3 steps. Even a goldfish could put this thing together. Reviewers agree that despite a few initial assembly issues, it's a breeze to set up. Meanwhile, the Anycubic 4K Plus doesn't make any assembly claims, so we can assume it might be more complex. Some reviewers had initial difficulties, but found YouTube videos helpful for guidance. If you enjoy playing IKEA with your electronics, Anycubic might just be your jam. Now, bed leveling. The Ender 3v2 Neo has the CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling, which sounds fancy and saves you from the frustration of manual leveling. It's like having a butler for your printer. Users appreciate this feature for its convenience. Anycubic, no mention of auto leveling, so get ready to level up your patience manually. User interface time. The Ender 3v2 Neo flaunts a brand new 4.3-inch UI with model preview and support for 9 languages. It's practically a United Nations meeting. Reviewers love the intuitive interface. Anycubic, on the other hand, gives you the Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0 software with enhanced features. It's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a lightsaber. Both are cool, but one is definitely more high-tech, and users find the slicing software effective but sometimes overly aggressive with supports. It plates. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a PC spring steel magnetic build plate that sticks like glue and releases models with a satisfying bend. Think of it as a high-tech fridge magnet. Users find it very effective. Anycubic counters with a laser-engraved build plate for better adhesion. It's like the James Bond of build plates, sophisticated and effective, although some users suggest light sanding and cleaning for optimal performance. Silent operation. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a self-developed silent motherboard. It's so quiet, you might think it's plotting something. Users love the quiet operation. Anycubic, no mention of silence, so it might sound like a jet engine taking off in your living room. Choose wisely if you value your eardrums. Overall, the ComGrow Ender 3v2 Neo is praised for its ease of use, affordability, and quiet operation. Reviewers do note that patience and learning are required to get the best results, but the supportive community and resources make it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer is lauded for its high-resolution prints and sophisticated features, though it comes with a steeper learning curve and some initial setup challenges. Both printers have their strengths and are highly regarded by their users. So there you have it. The ComGrow Ender 3v2 Neo. User-friendly, budget-friendly, and quiet as a ninja. And the Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer. High resolution, sophisticated, and ready to tackle detailed prints with ease. Which one is right for you? It depends on what you value more. Ease of use and silence, or high-tech features and detailed prints. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until then, happy printing and remember, buy smart.